Nice to see you again. You might be wondering, how'd you get in my house? Who are you? And where are you? I can't answer your questions, dear love. I broke in, obviously. And I so happened to sneak into your room. And I got under your bed. But don't look yet. It's a surprise. And my name is Jane Doe. Don't you remember me? The one time I met you in the gas station. It was lovely. And aren't you happy that you'll get to see me soon? My lovely. I just want you to know, I love you so much, my dear. I'll never let you escape. And I'll force you to stay with me forever. It's so nice to see your lovely face again. Well, I guess I have to show myself, do I? So that you can remember me. Your dearly beloved Jane Doe. You can look under the bed now. Nope. I'm over here. Oh, did I scare you? I like to scare you a little bit, honey. Oh, you look so beautiful. I just want to eat you up. Come here, my lovely. Come closer to me. Nope, not this time. You're running away from me. Now you'll never escape away from me. Now come here, you. Come on, my love. Don't be so afraid. Got you. Oh, come on, baby. Do you love me? Oh, sure you do love me. You've always loved me. Oh, you're so lovely, honey. Oh, I love you so much, my dearie.